Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Lemon Squeezy for beginners. So here, first thing that you do is you just have to open any of your web browser and search for lemonsqueezy.com and it'll be directed to this page. Now let's go to the pricing first. So whether you're just starting, we've got you covered. So here we have the e-commerce and the email marketing. So now we are going to, get started for now. So click on the get started option at the top right, and you can log in with your Google or with your Twitter. Just type out your name, your email, and then you just have to create your password. Then after selecting your Google account, you just have to input right here your password and then just click on the create account option. Okay, so simply click on the create account option and you'll be directed now to your dashboard. So this is your homepage. You'd be able to see here your revenue or your total revenue, and this is your store section, and you'd be able to see your products, orders, subscription, and more. So here in the product section, just click on add new product to create a new product. And then here for the name of the product. So what is the name of your product? So of course we are going to sell digital products. Okay, and then you have to put here a description. And then for the pricing, we have single payment, subscription, lead magnet, or pay what you want. And then we have the pricing model, and then the price of this product. So for example, 300 pesos for this digital product. And then we have the tax category. Okay, so we are going to select this digital goods or service. Okay, so let me just change the title of this product. Okay, so of course it depends on what kind of product you are selling. Okay, so now after that, let's go back here and then input the price and then select the tax category for this product. And since this is a digital product, you have to upload here your file. Okay, so media, and below we have the file. So drop your files here or click to browse. Okay, here are the links. So here you just have to put the link titles and the link URL. And if it has a variant, so just click on the variant option and add a variant. Here we have the settings. So we have the confirmation modal right here. Just put the title, your message, the button text, the button link, and then the email receipt. Okay, so just put it right here. And then after that, you just have to publish your very first product. So you just simply click on the publish product, this one at the bottom right of your screen. Okay, so after this one, let us now publish this product. Okay, that's right. And here on the product section, you'd be able to see here now the product that you have published. You'd be able to see here the total products, the total sales, and then the total revenue. So if you want to upload a new product, just click on the add new product option at the top right. Okay, so next we have the orders. So in this section, you'd be able to see here all of our orders. Okay, so if you want to share your product now, you just have to copy the link and then you can send it to your customers. Now for the order section, you will be able to see here if your product has been sold, and here for the subscription section, earn recurring revenue. So here you just have to create your new subscription. So just the same, just have to go back and create your new product and then just have to select the subscription. Next we have the customer section, the discounts, details, and then the licenses. So you'll be able to see all of the details of these options here on the store section. Next, for the email, we have broadcast and subscribers. So if you want a broadcast email, so you just have to go here and then create your broadcast email. Okay, next we have the subscriber section. So enable email marketing to start sending customers updates, and then I just have to choose your template. But of course, you have to buy if you want to use this one. So you just have to click on the buy now option and then proceed to the payment. So let's close this. Now let's go to the setup section. So when you go to the setup sections here, you have to finish setting up your store. So you have to verify your identity, set up two-factor authentication. So you have to activate your store and then configure this one. Okay, so for your identity verification, you just have to add your details to verify your identity. So just click on that add information option. That's right. And here you have your store activation, the identity verification, the store settings, your logo. So if you want to change your logo, just click on the choose option and then upload your new logo. Okay, so we have the store name, store URL, and then the other details of your store. That's for the general settings. You also have the domains, integration, the webhooks, your email. Here on the general, we also have the payment settings. So you just have to change your payment settings accordingly. But of course, you have to verify your identity first before you can receive payment here on Lemon Squeezy. Okay, so we have Google Pay, PayPal subscription, and other payment method. So here we also have the tax inclusive pricing, so we have to enable this one. Now they also have the affiliate section. So here on the affiliate, let's click on the overview. Okay, so you can add your products to the Lemon Squeezy affiliate hub and make more sales. So you have to enable the affiliates if you want to make more sales on the affiliate hub. So we have here the program settings, affiliate hub profile, your affiliate sign up URL, affiliate approval, affiliate referral URL. So you just have to fill out all of the needed information for the affiliate section. Okay, so we have the minimum payout, referral type, tracking length, commission, subscription commission, and affiliate products. So basically, the Lemon Squeezy is an all-in-one e-commerce platform designed to simplify the process of selling digital products, subscription, and software licenses globally. Serving as a merchant of record, it handles global tax compliance, fraud prevention, and payment processing, allowing creators and SaaS business to focus on growth. So the platform supports multiple payment methods, offers customizable storefronts, and includes built-in tools for email marketing, affiliate management, and customer engagement. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.